In this guitar instruction video, we're going to learn how to play the blues. Okay, for what I want you guys to do, I want you to put your first finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret. Okay? But I want you to play 2 strings at the same time. You're going to down pick, or down strum in this case, the 5th and 4th strings. And give me 2 downs. Then you're going to keep your first finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and you're going to put your 3rd finger on the 4th string, 4th fret. Down, 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 down. You're strumming the 5th and 4th strings at the same time. Every time. Just down picks. Then you're going to move your first finger up a string to the 3rd string, same fret, 2nd fret. Now instead of strumming the 5th and 4th strings, you're going to strum the 4th and 3rd strings. 2 downs, and then your 3rd finger is going to go, on the same fret but a different string. 4th fret, 3rd string. Continue the down picking strum. Little hesitation between strums. So remember, we're on the 3rd string, 2nd fret with our first finger. We're strumming the 4th and 3rd strings twice. And then twice we're strumming the 4th and 3rd strings with our 3rd finger on the 3rd string, 4th fret. Our 3rd finger's down now. It's up, it's down. Sure, you're always keeping your first finger down. Now let's go back to the 5th and 4th strings. Change to the 3rd string, 2nd fret with your 3rd finger, strumming the 4th and 3rd strings. Back to the 5th and 4th strings. Your first finger is going to be on the 4th string, 2nd fret. Now, you're going to go down a string, and your first finger will be playing the 2nd fret of the 5th string, and you're going to strum the 6th and 5th strings. And your 3rd finger is going to go on the 5th string, 4th fret. Still downs, down strums. So this is just a form of the blues. There's actually thousands of ways of playing the blues on the guitar. Some people say that the blues is your experience. It's a way of expressing yourself. It's a way of life. It's all that stuff and more. You know, I just can't define what the blues are. Everybody's got the blues, you know. So let's try it again, right from the beginning. And we are in the key of A. That's why the A is the open string. Once again, our first finger is going to be on the 4th string, 2nd fret. All right, and you're going to strum the 5th and 4th strings. And then your 3rd finger is going to go down on the same string that your first finger's on. Okay? But it's always going to be a whole step, 2 frets away. So let's try it again. From the beginning in A, 5th and 4th strings you're strumming. Down strums. Change strings. Go up to the 3rd string, 2nd fret with your first finger. You're strumming the 4th and 3rd strings. 2 strings at once. Back to the beginning. Now put your first finger on the 5th string, 2nd fret. And your 4th finger is going on the 4th fret, 5th string. Now you can go up to where your first finger is going to be on the third string, strumming the fourth and third fingers, strings that is, back to the A. Now I did a video on how to play a pentatonic blues scale. So you should look at that. So what I want you to do next, I want you to mix some rhythm with the lead, excuse me. So we're back to our original position. First finger on the second fret, fourth string. Third finger's going on the fourth fret, fourth string. Now your second finger is going to go up on the third string, ninth fret. First finger will play the second string, 8th fret, and your third finger is going to play the 10th fret. So you can play this progression, and then you play down, 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 down. Give a little vibrato if you want. It's like a little bit of a movement with your first finger. Right in that extension. If you want to look at my video once again on how to play the blues, blues pentatonic, you can find it. That's the 9th fret, second finger. Okay, on the third string. Move up to the second string, 8th fret with your first finger. And then the 10th fret on that second string with your third finger. All down picks, down strums. Go up to where you're playing the fourth and third strings. And then you can go up here to the 14th fret. Same thing that you did down here at the 9th fret. So you go to the 14th fret on the third string with your second finger. Second string, 13th fret. And then 15th fret with your third finger on the second string. Back to the beginning. Finally, go back to the where it's open E, and your first finger is playing the 5th string, 2nd fret. Now you just want to go to the 4th fret on the 3rd string with your second finger. Okay. Play the 3rd fret on the 2nd string with your first finger, and then the 5th fret on the 2nd string with your 3rd finger. So you're enjoyed that. Keep practicing. If you have any questions, please ask. And have fun.